Hi everyone, here I have that small Bluetooth device that I got from AliExpress. I have connected it up. Let me zoom out. With a 9-volt battery, and here I have one of those small regulator boards, also from AliExpress. So that's taking the 9 volts and through the 5-volt regulator, giving me 5 volts to the Bluetooth device. I have tested this and it does work. What I used as a test, I had this little Bluetooth dongle plugged into the laptop and it seems to work very well. I know I can plug the sound amplifier straight into the laptop, but I wanted to test this Bluetooth. So what I'm going to do here, I have a small plastic box. I'm going to build that into the box. I should be able to use this on any Bluetooth device. It's basically only an experiment. As I say, I got this Bluetooth device just as a, it was so cheap and I just wanted to play around and see how it worked. So that's it for now. I'm going to build this into the box. When I've done that, I'll give it another test. I won't actually plug any audio into it at the moment because I'd have to download some uncopyrighted stuff from YouTube to test it with. But anyway, for the time being, I shall put this in a box and be back at a later date. As you can see, I have now built this little Bluetooth module into a box. You can see the phono output, the jack output and the USB. I have fitted a switch on the side. I've also, if you can see just there, that is a 5-volt regulator module from AliExpress. I will show you one of those. Not sure if you can see. That is one of the small 5-volt regulator modules. I didn't want to bore you while I was building this. I can connect a 9-volt battery . You could, if you wanted to, you could use a rechargeable, but I have looked it up. The current that this draws is average about 10 milliamps, and looking up the looking up the battery usage, it will last about 40 hours, so should be good enough for my purpose. If you can see, there is a blue LED flashing there, and I thought, how do I get that noticeable when the lid is on the box? So I fitted a Perspex tube, as you can see there. I've seen this done before on equipment. So when the lid's on, like that, you can see the LED very easily. Without the lid, it's hardly noticeable. So this method is a tried and tested method. It's a bit like fibre optic, but it's Perspex. So there we have it. There are many options on something like this. I've seen this little Bluetooth module built into a portable transistor radio, so you could use your phone to play music on the radio. There are a lot of possibilities. I built this in a box like this because I wanted to connect it to my hi-fi amplifier. So to test this, I have a jack socket here, a jack plug, and this goes to my test amplifier, which I have on the bench. As you can see now, I've put the lid on so you can see the light. I've got a piece of music here. If I play this, so as you can hear, that was receiving the Bluetooth signal. Now I am using the Bluetooth from the laptop, and actually the amplifier is basically 2 feet away from the laptop in this room. So normally I plug this straight into the laptop, but that was only for a demonstration. Normally this little box will be in the next door, about 2.5 meters away, plugged into my hi-fi audio amplifier, so I could use my phone to play music over the hi-fi system. Or there's many other possibilities, obviously. It's really down to you. But I thought I would build this into this box just to make it more convenient. So there you have it. a nice little Bluetooth receiver. It's not been a very long video. I didn't want to bore you while I was making this into the box. Hope this has been useful for you. Please subscribe to the channel, it really does help, and click the like button. I'm sure there must be some people out there that like this. So catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.